Getting some breaking news now. Sam Pitroda has compared Rahul Gandhi to his father Rajiv Gandhi, and he has ended up saying that Rahul Gandhi is in fact more intellectual and a strategist as compared to Rajiv Gandhi. Now to that, there has been a response from the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's ended up accusing Rahul Gandhi of always mocking India. Let's first listen into that reaction by the BJP.
वो एक प्रमुख दरबारी व्यक्ति हैं उस दरबार के, उनको देखने दीजिए। लेकिन अगर वो सही में प्रधानमंत्री का ख्वाब उनमें देखते हैं तो थोड़ा सा राहुल गांधी जी को नसीहत भी दें, कैसे बोलना, क्या बोलना, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के विषयों पर कैसे बोलना, थोड़ा होमवर्क करना सिखाएं। और चूंकि वो उनको विदेश बुलाते हैं तो विदेश में भारत को कमज़ोर करके नहीं दिखाया जाता है। जो बार बार राहुल गांधी भारत की आलोचना करते हैं, भारत के लोकतंत्र की, भारत के मीडिया की, भारत के न्याय व्यवस्था की, विदेश में जाकर के भारत की खिल्ली नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए। ये भी एक लिहाज होना चाहिए।
My colleague Pallavi Ghosh is with us on the broadcast. Pallavi, every time Sam Pitroda says something, he ends up giving some amount of order to the Bharatiya Janata Party to further attack the Congress and in turn Rahul Gandhi over this.
Absolutely. And remember, Sam Pitroda was a person who was removed as the president of the Indian Overseas Congress for his controversial comments on, the taxation structure, inheritance tax, and his earlier comments on Ayodhya, Ram Mandir as well. So he's been a child of controversy, but he's also been someone who's been extremely close to the Gandhi family, which is why he was reinstated. He's the one who manages the overseas affairs of the Congress. Rahul Gandhi is set to go to America. He'll be going to Texas, San Francisco, much ahead of the Prime Minister also going there. He has a couple of meetings lined up with the Indian diaspora, and every time Rahul Gandhi has gone up abroad, he has always attacked the government over here, and that has been something which has invited criticism, because when you're traveling abroad, and this time as an LOP, you also represent your country. You may have your political differences with the BJP, but why do you make those comments which run down your country? What we are picking up is that this time round his focus is of course going to be on what he calls the government's sense of entitlement, and second, how he doesn't focus on the backwards. So the caste census pitch is something which Rahul Gandhi is expected to focus on abroad, but Sam Pitroda has already set the ball rolling and invited that kind of a controversy. And I would also say the fact that he says that he is a better strategist than the mentor of Sam Pitroda, which is Rajiv Gandhi, is another point of controversy.
Absolutely. And Pallavi, you rightly mentioned, just ahead of Rahul Gandhi's visit, Sam Pitroda has ended up making these remarks. But comparisons with Rajiv Gandhi, what led to this? What was the interview all about? Just give our viewers this background.
See, the irony of all this is that Sam Pitroda was actually brought into the Congress party by Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi was very impressed by liberalization, computerization, and he was Sam Pitroda was brought in to bring in that process, and he was the head of the Telecom Committee of India, which streamlined the entire computerization or the telecom revolution in the country. And that is where the very close ties with the Gandhi family comes in from. Today, when he's saying the son is better than the father, of course the BJP is going to start asking these questions, that why is it that you don't value a mentor, and is it an acknowledgement of the fact that Rajiv Gandhi was not a very able prime minister?
Absolutely. Anything that the Congress has said after this particular interview really came about? We are already seeing many more voices, or expecting in fact many more voices of the BJP leaders to in fact speak after Sam Pitroda's interview will only go viral from here on.
Yes, absolutely. But I think when Rahul Gandhi is expected to go abroad and before his trips, you normally don't see very strong reactions coming in from the Congress party. Sam Pitroda's earlier comments on inheritance tax, I think right in the middle of the Lok Sabha elections, had forced the Congress party after a couple of days to take a stand and remove him from the post of the president of the Indian Overseas Congress. As of now, the Congress really doesn't want to engage on this. Just a couple of days left for Rahul Gandhi to go abroad for that important meeting in America. But as of now, no word really coming in from the Congress party by way of response to what the BJP is saying.
Right, Pallavi, thank you so much.